Hi, my name is Bartosz Mlodkowski. I come from the Netherlands. I came to Hospitaprime 6 months ago after a quite extensive search. My case was not regular because I had an emergency with my teeth. They were basically infected and I had to act quickly. Within like 2 weeks, I probably contacted every possible Zygomatic Implant clinic in Turkey, and among them was Hospitaprime. From the very beginning, they caught my attention because they wanted to hear more from me than the other clinics. I experienced an actual interest in my case, which was not easy to start with. Hospitaprime was the one that I decided to go for several reasons. First of all, communication. It was very clear from the beginning. They were very friendly with their prices. They actually gave me a discount on it. They were very flexible on the payment terms because when I visited here, I couldn't bring it all with me, so they kind of waited during my stay till I collected, so that was okay as well. And what was most important is that this clinic, unlike the other ones, provides the permanent prosthesis for the time being in the Zygomatic implant procedure, because for 6 months you are literally left with either a removable prosthesis, which is what most the clinics offer, or like in this case with a permanent one. So I got the permanent one, and that was something that I enjoyed a lot because I know how much trouble it causes to go with the removable one after the surgery. So I got here in March, which is exactly 6 months ago. The entire experience is very nice. They pick you up at the airport, take you to a hotel, tow staff, very nice as well. You have a dedicated driver here. You have a dedicated caseworker with whom you work throughout your entire stay. So that's very good as well. So I got here in March for the surgery for the Zygomatic implants. I stayed here for 7 days. Everything went very smooth, although I went through a lot of pain, a lot of all the things that go with the Zygomatic implant surgery. So I've gone through it. I know it is the same for, well, maybe not the same, but this is what you basically experience with the surgeries. So I went through it, and from day to day it was getting better and better. I left here after 7 days. Then I was told to return within the 3 months, after 3 months. However, the healing did not go as I was expecting, or perhaps as it has just gone naturally. But within 3 months I wasn't basically ready. So I contacted the clinic. I sent the CT scans of the bones, and the conclusion was that no, it is too early. So I waited another 3 months until September, until now. Again, I sent the CT scans to the surgeon. It was confirmed that the implants have blended with the bone and it is all fused properly. I reserved the stay here for the second time. This time it was 2 weeks, and I explained why 2 weeks. It seemed longer to me, too long for me when I looked at it, because I thought, okay, they will just put the final work and that's it, right? But as I came and they have started working on my work, on my prosthesis, I realized that it is much more than just putting a piece in your mouth. You work with a technician who is trained in making the shape, making it basically personalized to yourself. In my case, I wanted to have the same type of teeth that I had before. Basically, the first work that was turned to me, I said, no, impossible. And then I started a meticulous process of actually fixing it with my vision. So I was sending back and forth between my caseworker and myself the images of my old teeth, how I wanted it to be. It took about a week. I had another measurement, then another fixes, then the final one came, and I was like, okay, I'm happy with it. I know I was a pain in the ass for the clinic because I'm perhaps not a usual patient, and I was told so already as well, that I had plenty of demands which were not usual, but all of them were met with a proper care, with a proper attention, and all of my requests were addressed. I am very happy with the outcome. 3 days ago was installed my final prosthesis. I am extremely happy with it. Not only the aesthetics came back, but also my eating function, which were disturbed for years. Finally, I have the back teeth. Right now, I'm a machine for crunching peanuts. Everyone who is thinking whether this is something for you, if you have the case in which no other implantation can work for you, I strongly recommend the Zygomatic implants. And this clinic in particular, not only they are certified as a Zyga clinic, which is like the worldwide network of this clinic, and there are only few of them certified in the world. That gives you peace of mind and sort of a satisfaction warranty and sort of a peace of mind that if anything happens, because this is a big thing, right? They are here to serve, right? Definitely, I will recommend this clinic again for several reasons. Customer service, quality of treatment. I had a problem to trust the doctors in the beginning. I was kind of persuading my vision. I was properly put in my place and I put that trust, and I am happy I did, because at the end it worked to my advantage. So the customer service, level of service, the treatment, affordability as well. Out of all the clinics that I checked, this gave me the lowest price against the level of treatment. Highly recommended. The people are great. Doctors are trained perfectly for everyone who's looking for actually any type of dental work, because they do implants, they do aesthetics, they do bridges, they do crowns, they do whitening. By the way, my wife was here to get her teeth whitened, very happy as well. Strongly recommend. It's only 2 hours away from anywhere in the Europe, which is great. It's not like a day journey, it's just a few hours. You live in the afternoon, in the evening you're here, you sleep in the hotel. Highly recommend, and wish everyone the same experience as I had. Thank you.